Check this thing out. So Hurricane Sally's coming down here, right? And one of Mom's workers has this bike, and he needed a place to put it, so it's in our shop. And if y'all get 10 likes on here, I'll put him some signs right here like I did on that truck. I'll pop rivet it and everything, and make him look professional. But just look at this thing. Just nice. We have a race car, he has a motorcycle. And pretty cool. But yeah, 10 likes and I'll put a sign on there for him.
The bed off of my work truck. And I'm gonna build a frame underneath here with a tongue out here. And I'm gonna turn this into a welding trailer. Started on the trailer frame. So we got 2x3 by 1/4 inch tubing, and we're building a frame. We got the verticals welded right here, and the vertical on this plate here in the back on each side, and then we're boxing it off up here in the front, and we're gonna build a tongue out of this right here. It's gonna come out here like that with a hitch. All right, y'all, I'm back on my trailer for a minute here this morning. I'm building the axle right now. This right here is gonna be my axle. I got the spindles right here that I'm gonna stick in there like that and weld them up all the way around on both ends. And then I got my wheels and tires here for it. So try to get this thing rolling where I can get it off my lift. Get my lift freed up again. So y'all stay tuned. I got the spindles welded in, fixing to put the hubs on and find out where the springs go up underneath there. All right, so I got the axle under here. Got her welded out, got all the hangers on it, both sides. Fixing to put the hub assembly on each end right here, and the bearings, and go from there. We moving on. Won't be long now. See what we built.
All right, well, he's pretty much finished his trailer. He's got to wire it, stick the safety chains on it,
Gotta rig it out.
and I need to put a sign on here for him.
You gonna put me a sign?
Yeah, I'm gonna put you a sign on.
Don't drill no holes in my trailer.
Why not, Daddy?
Because I said.
Overall, I could have done better work, but he's got something. Really nice. He does good work when he wants to.
It's always something. So I had to shut down on my welding trailer for right now because we got this here Jayco Red Hawk 2019 with a Cummins Onan generator here, and as y'all saw in our video, it was going in and out on us the other day, and it went all the way out by the end of the weekend. And I've narrowed it down to a fuel pump, so I'm fixing to replace the fuel pump with a good powerful Holley fuel pump. So hopefully we can go more than a year and 1,000 hours on it before it goes out. So y'all stay tuned. That's what I'm fixing to do now. I got to get way back up in here, way in there. There's a fuel pump in there. So hopefully I can get that Holley to fit in there and bring this thing back to life. So Stay tuned. Well, we're back in business. That was the problem, little fuel pump. The Holley fuel pump didn't work out. It had too much pressure. So this little booger right here is at least 2 months out of stock right now. By all accounts, everybody that I've called has told me that they've been trying to get this little fuel pump for 2 months or longer, and it's out of stock, back ordered, whatever. So a guy at Napa helped me find one that had the right fuel pressure equivalent to this, and I rigged it up, got it in there. I really hate to do that on something that's new, but we're trying to use this thing, and the last thing I want is for it to be sitting at a dealership waiting on repair, waiting on parts to come in, you know, because we're paying for this thing. We want to enjoy it when we want to. So I got in there and did it myself and got it going. So it's running now. Hopefully it'll stay running, so we'll see. Before it got to the point that it wouldn't even run anymore. For, you know, it would start up, and as soon as a load come on, it would cut off. So far so good, so we'll let you know.
What's going on, guys? As you can see, we have half of a race car right here, and what I mean by half of a race car is the other half of it is just a flat piece of metal right now. I'll show you what I mean in just a second, but I've been working about 3 days now on this part of it, and I'm fixing to show it to you. All right, so this is it right now. Don't pay attention to the shop. It's really messy, but this is what it looks like whenever you have to do this. See, and we do this probably once a year. We strip it all down, paint the roll bars. Can't really show y'all under the car, but we paint everything. You know, spray painted it, not. We paint everything. We put a new deck on it. You know, because these panels, y'all may not see them because if y'all don't get up close, these are hidden. But we bend these up more than we bend the bodies, because the bodies are hooked to the sides of these, and whenever somebody leans on you or whatever the case may be, it puts a wave in it. And when it puts a wave in this deck, it's junk. It bothers me to look at this race car and my deck look like the waves right now on the beach. So we replace it all, and it's got plastic on it right now. It's not that ugly. It's gloss black. So I'm gonna peel this off, and we're gonna do this back here. But first I've got to put a panel right. I've got to put a fuel opening flap right here. All right, y'all ain't gonna believe it, but I screwed something up. I put that on backwards. I've been working on this thing too much. That's the problem. I'm gonna come out here tomorrow and fix that and go ahead and stick both of these together. And then once I do that, we should be ready to start hanging the sides to it. Noah's doing our roof right now and our spoiler. But really quickly, while I'm sitting here, this is a full-blown modified. A lot of people ask this question every time they watch one of our videos. Somebody asks, this is not a B-mod. This is a USMTS, UMP, USRA. It somewhat fits in, like you could do minor things to make this car legal for all three of those. It's USMTS legal, but to be UMP legal, I would have to take the spoiler off and do a little thing. It is not IMCA legal. It'll never be IMCA legal, but USRA, I don't really know their rules as much as I do UMP and USMTS, but we fit in those three classes somewhat, you know, minor things, and they would work.
So what's up? What's going on?
Not much. Just another day fixing yesterday's mistakes.
Tell you what, and I mean this. This looks really good. Like all your work right here, seriously, looks really, really good. I'm proud of you.
Well, I appreciate it.
And I mean that. I know it is. I mean, you did some fine work right there. Very proud of you. I wish you could have recorded yourself doing it over there.
Yeah.
But it's part of it, and just out of respect for the Lusenbergs, you know, we don't video over there because that's their.
Whenever you want to buy me a sheet metal brake, we'll do all the video and I'll show them all the struggles I went through because this wasn't easy. There's a lot of math that goes into this, and I'm not the best at math.
We know.
I can read a tape measure.
We know.
And anybody
Well, here's the
that's seen
thing.
it,
I would love to just buy you a brake, but we're steady spending money
we gotta
on
buy
everything.
a motor, we gotta buy this, we gotta buy.
Yeah,
I get it.
Yeah. There's a lot of money going out and not a whole lot coming in. So we're gonna hold up on
That's
the brake,
okay.
and for now we're gonna borrow their brake and just not film over there, and we'll film over here, installing everything, and that's just what we got to work with right now.
But 90% of the stuff, and 99% of the stuff here, because they just bead rolled that. Everything
Yeah.
else I built personally.
Yeah.
I had somebody help me stick it in the brake, you know, make sure my measurement was right, and not just help me here and there. But I did this.
Yeah.
This is my work here. So
It looks really good. I'm being dead serious. I'm very proud of what you did right here.
and
That
it's
looks
not
great.
something that from 20 foot looks good. And
Yeah,
then when you
it's-
get up, it's perfect. I made sure that
I
it's
seen you
right.
put that on upside down. I kind of,
Yeah, that was
I
last
chuckled
night.
when I was watching the video back and saw that
That's okay.
because I saw it before you said anything. But that's all right.
I'll have it fixed.
All you gotta do is buzz it out and flip it around. But anyway, so we're getting this thing ready to go to Why Not for the Fall Classic. That's when we're gonna break it out with the new body, new graphics. You know, the Curtis Burns is Friday night. Obviously, we won't be ready. Saturday night at Outlaw Speedway, it's their opening night. Obviously, this won't be ready. You know,
We're gonna be doing a whole lot of observing.
Yeah,
We're
and that's
gonna-
cool.
We're gonna see what everybody else is doing and
Yeah,
not
that's
focus
cool.
on all of this. Really quick, just a question, an idea. I don't know. I'm on iRacing every night. I mean, just consistently every night.
I know.
And I run with Cameron Williams, Joey Moxley, Caden Jackson, all kinds of local people. If y'all would like to see any of that on this channel, you know, it would be its own separate video. I have ran with Jesse and the Hunt the Front crew too, but if y'all would like to see some of that, y'all let us know in the comments below, and we'll see if we can't make an iRacing video.
Yeah.
And
I'm not a fan.
he's not a fan, but
Because he's told me to try to watch them, and it's just not. It's not something that I can watch.
it's hard for me to watch personally.
Well,
but when you're in it, it's real.
Which to me, I don't think any of y'all are going to want to watch it. But he asked you, so y'all be honest with him.
We'll
and,
just see.
yeah,
I mean,
fair enough.
we'll see.
We'll see. Are you going to pout if they say, "Nah, we don't really
No,
care"?
it
to
ain't
see
gonna
that
hurt me because I mean I'm already doing it, so I
Right.
was just wondering if people wanted to see it.
All right. So anyway, y'all saw the video. Y'all saw what I was working on with my welding trailer. Still piddling with that. The motorhome's running out great. Got that generator fixed.
Yeah, they went and camped with that.
Yeah, that worked out good. And y'all see what Chase has been working on. We are the girls are out of school and Chase is out of school because of Hurricane Sally. They shut us down, which we dodged a bullet. I just talked to some friends of mine from over in the Florida area, and man, they're taking a pounding over there. So, you know, y'all, if you would, you know, say a little prayer for them and keep your eyes out. And if there's any way you can help them out, I know what they're going through over there because we've been through it in the past. And you know, it's just a helpless feeling. So y'all just know we're thinking of y'all. So anyway, that's all we working
I mean,
on right
really,
now.
that's it. I'm gonna stick this together, and that'll probably be in the next video. And I'm building all of it except for the roof and the spoiler. But I'll bring y'all along and show y'all as I stick it on here.
Yeah, cool. All right.
All right. Well, y'all like, share, subscribe, buy some merch from us. We've got some new shirts coming in here soon.
Yeah.
So y'all be on the lookout. We're gonna be doing a giveaway. We got all kinds of stuff going on, just not really any racing going on.
Okay.
That's it.
Well, y'all heard the man.
See y'all in the next one.
Later.